Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Tropical Thunder Slushy. First, I'm going to add a couple cups of ice and water. I'm going to have about 20 ounces together, and then I want more ice versus water, of course. I'm adding 1 scoop of our Tropical Twist fiber, 2 scoops of our H3O, 1 Tropical Liftoff, some mango aloe, and I'm dusting the cup with strawberry and blue blast stevia, and I'm going to blend it for about 10 seconds and pour it in, and that's the Tropical Thunder Slushy. Thanks for watching.